Hello everyone, today I am here and I'm going to explain everything how is my life going on and what kind of difficulties I have faced in my life. And today nowadays you already know that I am a small YouTuber and I have been practicing to learn English, and I have been learning this language since 2 years. But recently I have started my speaking practicing. It's been 3 months since I started speaking. Earlier I was focusing on grammar basis part, so nowadays it's my all on completely focus on speaking part only. And first of all, I'm going to explain about my life, how was my life, and how what was my level at English, and how did I overcome this fear to speak English without any coaching, without any classes, without joining any high level of coaching classes. So you can also start your speaking journey while watching my videos, so that you will also be very confident and you can start your journey. So let's start. How was my level at this English speaking? So first, I want to tell you that I was completely zero at English, and I didn't know even grammar's rules, sentences related to grammar. In terms of grammar, I was completely zero. But by the time I started, one of my friends, she is very good at English, and one day she invited me at her home, and I went there. But all of a sudden, the moment I went to her house, she told me that let's converse in English. I started shaking, my hand started shaking, my heartbeat started pumping in a very intense way, and I was very I was very afraid of speaking English. Even I don't know even a little bit sentence, even not a single sentence related to English. So somehow I told her that I don't know English. How did I communicate with you? So I run away from her house. Came back to my house, and I started thinking a lot. I started overthinking, and then I started my speaking English, so that I thought that I will also start my English speaking English. And I hope, I don't know when it will take time that when I will be fluent in this language, but I have confidence in myself that one day I really speak English, and one day I will be able to speak English. So that it was the very embarrassing moment for me, so that I can start my English journey. Our journey start from there, where when we feel very embarrassed, when someone make your fun of you. So that time you realized that how can I improve myself, so that I this is how I started improving myself. And nowadays I one day again, but after that I was not consistent, I was not focusing on speaking part. But one day I thought, how can I improve my speaking? Earlier, as I told you that I was focusing on just related to grammar. But after that I started my YouTube channel, so that I will be able to consistent on YouTube, and this is how I will learn English. So I started YouTube channel. And but you know, when I started speaking at the first time, it was very difficult for me that how to explain everything, how to frame the sentence, how to make any kind of sentence, how can I deliver my thought to other person. So it was kind of butterflies in my stomach, and I started sweating. Before, when I uploaded one video on YouTube, it was very difficult. I started criticizing to myself. I started criticizing to myself, and it was very difficult. Like, we judge ourselves. It happens many time, and it is also, it was very bad. I was very bad at facing camera. It is not my cup of tea, talking in front of camera and uploading video. I was thinking a lot before uploading the video. So by the time I gain confident on it, speaking in front of camera, uploading videos, by the time whatever you do from your heart, everything is yours. Whatever you do from your heart, everything is yours. So this is how it was very clear to me. If I will give my precious time to in that language, I'm sure that one day I will speak English. I had believe in myself. So this is how, by believing in myself, I started my English journey. And but if I talk about in my dream, earlier my dream was to be a doctor, but because of some financial crisis, I could not do further my I could not do my study further. And I left my study 2023, and it's been 2 years since I left my studies. And I was very free at home. I started stitching at my home. By stitching, sometimes I fulfill my little needs, what I need to buy something, clothes to related to my small things. I started stitching, and I started fulfill my small dreams, so that I could not that I have not to ask for money to someone from my father or from my mother. So I started my stitching stitching work at my home. And as simultaneously I started my English also. And now my dream has changed. Now I want to be a public speaker, so that I have been practicing on my speaking English. And I really working hard. I hope that my hard work will pay to me one day, and I'm really sure I will become a public speaker. I have confidence of myself, and I am very habitual of reading book. I everyday read motivational books. I really like reading book. So now I have read 3 or 4 books so far. I know public speaking is not easy to learn this, but if you put your hard work to do something, to become something, you obviously you become. You must have heard about what you think you become one day. So I have believed in this word, and I am. So it was not difficult. It was not easy for me. I was not good at this. And first I overcome my fear to speak in front of camera. It is not easy to everyone. Now this is the end of this video, and remember one thing, that consistency plus practice is equal to success. If you are very consistent, if you are doing practice every day, practicing every day, whatever you want, whatever you think to become, please do hard work. Thanks for watching.